Here we come to the elevators at Neiman Marcus at the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. These are Otis Lexan, which originally... Oh. There we go. I love that movie start time. The fan is loud on this one. Flooring has definitely been replaced. Original Otis door interlock. You definitely hear the relays. That fan is very, very, very loud, and we got music playing very loudly on this floor. How to get the other elevator car? Let's send this away and we'll get the other elevator car, which the other elevator car does not have that loud fan unlike this one does. Alright, finally got on the other elevator car. Had to wait a little bit. The rear door is right behind there, but I'm not going to open that. Going up?
Yes.
You're a floor ma'am?
First.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hopefully we'll get a non-stop ride, because I want to get a good view of that fornicator. Hopefully we want to make a bunch of stops, because I really want to get a good view. I really want to get a good view of that fornicator. Alright, here we go. If someone gets on, we're just going to get off. Alright. Go down to GL. See, it opens on that side over there. Good, we made it. This is the bottom drive traction. I absolutely love the relays on this elevator. Alright, we're going to go ahead and end the video up at 1. I love the motor starting up. Doesn't have much classic leveling, so anyways, gonna watch it close. There it goes. Wow, look at this old water fountain. Forgot to include that. That's an old water fountain right there. Alright, well anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.